With your body now heavy and quiet, bring your awareness to the points of contact where you meet the earth. Feel the density of the surface beneath you, the floor, the foundation, the very bones of the building. Below that structure, sense the first layer of the living world. The cool, shifting grains of sand. See or feel your energetic roots, a subtle pull of gravity pressing through that grit. They push deeper into the loamy, damp soil, smelling of rain and ancient moss. It is soft here, yielding and rich. As you continue breathing, your roots extend further. They press into the hard-packed clay. Feel the resistance here. It is cool, firm, and supportive, and your roots move through it with a slow, rhythmic persistence. Deeper and deeper still, you reach rocky layers. Feel the vibration of stone against stone, dense and moving and timeless. As you move past the bedrock, you notice a change. The cool dampness of the surface begins to fade, replaced by a gentle, comforting warmth. The deeper you travel, the more this warmth becomes a soothing resonance in your bones, easing away pain and discomfort. You are moving through the deep mantle now, where the earth's heat is a steady, pulsing glow. Finally, your roots reach the vibrant, molten core at the heart of the planet. You become aware of a vast, infinite energy and warmth that does not burn but revitalizes instead. Allow your roots to dip into this reservoir of ancient energy. Like a plant drawing water, feel your body begin to pull that warmth upward. The energy travels up through the stone, through the clay, and through the loam, entering the soles of your feet and the base of your spine. It fills your energetic field and your body, clearing out the static of the day and replacing it with the steady frequency of the world. These roots are part of your energetic architecture. They do not retract. They do not disappear. Whether you are walking through a crowd or sitting at your desk, you remain anchored into that deep heat. You are safe, and you are always home.